Hello, everyone. A little bit of an introduction. My name is Piotr. I'm a software engineer. And in this series, Programming Daily, I'm producing something that I like to watch myself. And that is some casual programming sessions that happen usually daily or mostly daily. And they can run in the background. They don't require full attention. You can listen to some music in the meantime while you're listening to them. I do not intend those sessions to be any sort of lectures or tutorials. It's just me enjoying some unrestricted coding time with a very loosely defined project. These days, I'm working on a drakon diagrams renderer. I found this concept of drakon diagrams somewhere online, and it really stuck with me. I really enjoy playing with it. I'm a big functional programming enthusiast, and I love Haskell. And I just couldn't find any content online like that, so I said, why don't I just make something like it? It is now leetcode exercises content, so it's just me enjoying writing code and making mistakes and learning. And yeah, at the end of it all, I would like to produce some content that other people can use. Content meaning open source software that other people can use and enjoy, and maybe, I don't know, learn a thing or two. But again, making this into a tutorial is not my goal. Right, so I hope you enjoy these sessions, and have a great day.